Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best spy glasses in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is RayBan Stories. RayBan Stories is the perfect way to capture life's moments with style. With the Wayfarer Smart Glasses, you can take photos, record videos, and take audio recordings with ease. The lenses are made with polarized polycarbonate lenses that provide superior clarity, while the frames are made with lightweight metal for maximum comfort and durability. The Wayfarer Smart Glasses have a built-in microphone and speakers, so you can record conversations, interviews, and more. The glasses also come with a convenient carrying case, so you can easily transport them wherever you go. With the RayBan Stories Wayfarer Smart Glasses, you can capture life's moments in the most stylish way possible. Pros: high-quality audio and video recording. Easy to use and store. Stylish and sleek design. Enhanced protection from UV rays. Instant sharing of audio and video recordings. Long battery life. Cons: expensive. Potential privacy concerns. Limited compatibility with other devices. Limited storage capacity. Number 2. Our second best pick is Bedwina Spy Glasses. Are you looking for a fun way to keep your kids entertained? Look no further than Bedwina Spy Glasses for kids. This pack of 3 spy sunglasses is the perfect addition to any party favor bag or stocking stuffer. With the special rear-view lenses, kids can see behind them and have fun playing detective while they explore their environment. The sleek and stylish design also makes them fashionable and on-trend. Plus, they are made with durable materials and come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can be sure that your kids will enjoy them for a long time to come. Get your Bedwina Spy Glasses for kids today and make your kids' next party or adventure even more fun. Pros: comes in a pack of 3. Can see behind you. Fun party favors. Spy gear detective gadgets. Stocking stuffer gifts for boys and girls. Cons: may not be suitable for younger children. Can be difficult to adjust to fit certain head sizes. Number 3. Our third best pick is WGP Smart Bluetooth Audio Glasses. These WGP Smart Bluetooth Audio Glasses metal frame optical lens replaceable are the perfect accessory for any modern lifestyle. With their sleek metal frame and replaceable optical lenses, these glasses are perfect for any occasion. Whether you're reading, gaming, driving, or just running around town, these glasses have you covered. The built-in Bluetooth audio feature allows you to listen to music or take calls without having to worry about wires. The replaceable lenses make it easy to switch up your look and keep your vision sharp. Plus, the ergonomic design ensures a comfortable fit. Get ready to take your look to the next level with these WGP Smart Bluetooth Audio Glasses metal frame optical lens replaceable. Pros: Bluetooth capabilities allow for hands-free audio. Metal frames offer durability and style. Replaceable optical lenses provide custom clarity. Ideal for a variety of activities such as reading, gaming, and driving. Cons: can be uncomfortable after extended periods of wear. Potential for interference with other Bluetooth devices. Expensive compared to more traditional eyewear. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Mingsung MS20 camera video sunglasses. Are you looking for a unique way to capture and share your outdoor adventures? Look no further than the Mingsung MS20 camera video sunglasses. These innovative sunglasses are equipped with a built-in HD 1080p camera that allows you to record hands-free while you're out fishing, hunting, biking, hiking, and more. The glasses are lightweight and comfortable to wear, ensuring you can capture the action without feeling weighed down. The 32GB microSD card that comes with the glasses allows you to store plenty of footage without worrying about running out of space. Get ready to explore the outdoors and capture all of your experiences with the Mingsung MS20 camera video sunglasses. Pros: built-in HD 1080p camera for high-quality videos. Hands-free for easy filming during sports, hiking, biking, fishing, scouting, driving, and hunting. Comes with a 32GB microSD card for extra storage. Cons: may be uncomfortable to wear due to the weight of the camera. May be difficult to keep steady while filming. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Spy Optic Gaming Glasses. Introducing the Spy Optic Gaming Discord Rectangle Blue Light Blocker / Gaming Glasses. These glasses are designed specifically for gamers and feature a stylish rectangle frame. The lenses come in a variety of colors and are designed to reduce blue light emission, while also enhancing contrast and color. The glasses have an anti-reflective coating to reduce glare, and are designed to fit comfortably on your face. Whether you're gaming, working or watching TV, these glasses will help reduce eye strain and fatigue, and make your gaming experience more enjoyable. Get the Spy Optic Gaming Discord Rectangle Blue Light Blocker / Gaming Glasses today, and experience the ultimate in gaming eyewear. Pros: improved gaming experience, with reduced eye strain and improved focus. Color and contrast enhancing lenses, for better visuals and enhanced gaming experience. Blue light blocker technology, to reduce digital eye strain. Rectangle shape for a comfortable fit. Lightweight and durable design. Cons: may not be suitable for everyone, due to the shape of glasses. May not fit all types of gaming screens. Not designed to be worn for extended periods of time. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.